inside the gammm.js class. So first we create the basic template or a simple index.html. You can see we have CDN for our GitHub. I'll just have to use this recycle the code we have made previously, but we'll just have to erase. So first we create the loop. Let's say the loop object gammm.js, and the parameter objects or properties. Create a template, for example HTML. If you're gonna ask why I'm using this kind of format function instead of returning a string, it depends on this is the way I make the class parameter, but actually you can use you'll copy other ways to create templates. Okay, let's create a variable that we can loop inside the HTML. We will introduce the gammm.js tag here also. For example, items or let's say products. Okay, the Xbox, PlayStation, and for example, and we also loop an object. Okay, loop a link. As properties, home, then the link value, then another one, label, let's say about us, the name, about us, and last one, label, contact us. Just an example, contact. So how do we loop these variables inside the template? I will show you how. For example, demo about loop inside JS template. So let's see if we can run this. You can see we already see the basic output. We'll try to add the loop inside. So we use this tag like a PHP, but we're using gammm.js to run or execute JavaScript inside this template. Let's say we get the data first, products equals to this data, the products. We create loop, it's just 0 because we're gonna use the index on this product.length I++. Always remember that if we want to use HTML here inside gammm.js, we need to always have a new line every HTML tag. Let's put this inside UL. So we're gonna display. You can just use li, then products, then index, and li. So let's see if it's gonna return a result. So as you can see, it loops inside. Let's say if we add additional products but we don't tend to display, let's say user, then we add a condition that it will only display, it will not display the computer value. So you can use this kind of insert this kind of condition on your code, but always remember that gammm.js is sensitive inside the template. Every time we use a string, the limitation is we can just use single quote for every string. So if the product is not equal to computer, then it will display, else it won't display. So let's see if this works. So it doesn't work. So let's say we choose PlayStation. So we should skip this and display Xbox, Nintendo, and computer. So as you can see, the condition and the loop is working here inside gammm.js tag. And let's display this link. Let's say we want to have a button. So we use again this tag for loop or conditional coding, var k in, let's say let links is equal to this data that links, for var k in links. So we can loop using this. Let's say I want to add button, then let's declare additional variable to cache the values. Let's say link is equal to links. Okay, so link that label. Let's see if this is gonna run. So as you can see, home, about us, and contact us. So we'll just add an event inside the loop. We just have to alert the value of the loop. So let's say alert new function we use data link, then you can display link that link. So we're gonna get that attribute data link, so we're gonna use that element. So let loop is equal to el.get attribute data link. So we can now alert the link. So let's try if this one's gonna work. But actually it's not gonna work because we are lacking something, right? So we add the gammm.js event. So alert link. Let's see if this one's gonna work. Let's add a little bit of space, or let's say we'll just have to use break line for now. There. If we click home, we expect that it will return the hashtag home. As you can see this, or about us, or contact us. So yep, that's it for now. So we demo loop inside gammm.js template, and also demo about using conditions and adding events to a loop inside the gammm.js tag. And hope you learned something and see how helpful this library to organize your components that you can use. That's it for now.